Meet Soong One. This 3D printed robot head has been named after Dr. Noonien Soong, the robotics scientist who created Star Trek's most popular android, Data. This project is an attempt at understanding how robots can model human behavior. I have programmed this head to observe its surroundings, recognize a person, and shift its gaze to follow the person across the room. The entire robot head is 3D printed. Based on the InMove Face 3D model, I designed the whole head specifically for my current goals and for the future plans I have with the head. The robot has 6 ways that it can move. The head can tilt to the side. The head can also move forward or backward. And the head can rotate. Up, down, left, and right. Each of these axes of motion is operated by a servo motor, which all connect down to the PCB in the chest area. Here, they connect to the Arduino, which controls the servos. I have the Arduino connected to a Raspberry Pi, which runs the program that controls the head and sends signals to the Arduino, telling what servos to move. The Raspberry Pi is also connected to a camera, which provides the visual input for the program. For the head to align to look at me, I run a facial recognition program on the Raspberry Pi. I utilize the face recognition Python module built on top of the dlib facial recognition program. The program locates a face in an image. Once this is complete, the head simply moves in the direction that the face is in. For example, if my face is to the right of center, the head moves right. Now let's take a look at Soong One in action.